Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can recover your deleted posts in Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So, open up the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your page. Then at the top you click on the three bars to go to the settings menu. Next, in the search bar, you type the word upload. And now you select Upload your information. Next, you choose Upload or Transfer your information. After that, you need to choose your Instagram page from which you will upload your information. At this point, you select the second section. Now you scroll down and select Content. Next. Next. And now on the very last page, you select Download File. And you're immediately taken back to the Meta Account Center, as you can see. Here's our request to download the files that were previously deleted. But you have to wait a while. It takes literally a few minutes for your request to be approved. And once it's approved, it's gonna look like this. The request that I made earlier, and in order to restore the deleted posts, you're just gonna have to click Save. And then you'll be able to go and see your restored Instagram posts. This is how, friends, you will be able to restore your deleted Instagram posts. I hope that this video was useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes, write your comments, and see you soon.